Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this error on an Epson, any Epson. If it gives you this, the ink pad needs services or service, contact Epson. So okay, proceed. So look, since the ink pad is expired, so when you get this error, you can't print, you can't make a copy. So let's try to say okay, cannot print non-printing features. Non-printing feature is available. Avoid tilting the printer. Say okay. So they say you cannot print. Let's try to make a copy. Okay, try to make copy. You can see, so it's gonna give you the same crazy what they call error. So which means you never print, you never make copy. But we're gonna fix this. But you need to be a very good person in analyzing things, because some things I'm not going to say them, but you're gonna just see them. So one of the things you got to see is this. Say okay, I believe this is gonna give us some issues here, something I don't want to see. No, don't worry about this. We're not into this kind of this. I clicked it by mistake, but what you got to do is this guy. You can see this guy, read nicely. Okay, when you click on this guy, so your printer should be connected to the to the internet, and also should be connected to your PC. So now this is something I don't want to see. I'm gonna say yes, cancel. Okay, now you're gonna say read waste counter. When you click on that, it will say 100% this counter has been reached its limit and needs to be reset, right? Don't worry about that, just click that, and so then you say reset waste counter. When you click there, there's gonna be option here. You can see this option. Okay, you use that option. After doing that option, you're gonna pass through all these stuff, whatever you see. You can see yourself. Then after that, I got this. You get me? You can see this guy. Okay, you can see whatever I did is what you got to do. So then you're gonna just come here and do this and say okay. Once you're doing okay, then you can see down here, you can see what it says. Okay, then they tell you to do this. Okay, once they tell you to do that, you come here and you switch off your computer, your printer. Say okay, printer's gonna switch off. 100% the printer's off. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna on the machine again. Okay, then machine is fine. If I press a copy, it should give me a copy, but there's nothing I put into here. Just simply means the machine is fine. Say print. To ask you black and white or whatever you want, say black and white, say okay. When I get it okay, say copy. I'm gonna get a copy. So all is fine. It's gonna make a copy for you, though it's gonna be blank because there's nothing I put inside. So that's crazy. Very fine. So your issue is gone. You don't have to do anything. You can see the printer is making a copy now. Good. Problem solved. So okay, so now what you're gonna do, what you're gonna see is you're going to see when you come back here and say read counter, you can see counter is 21%. 21%. This counter is okay. Okay. Is okay, which means it's okay. It's not on 100%, right? Okay. Simple. That's simple. Simple. 100% simple. Let me see. Okay. Okay. This guys, that is super fine. I need to, yeah, thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and also you can also do this this one of the best things you can do on your machine. You can do head cleaning, you can do this in charge, you get me? So that's a super good feature to do also. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that's it.